on behalf of the Smart Araneta Coliseum, we would like to present this plaque of appreciation to Cup of Joe for the massive sold-out shows here at the Big Dome. Please allow me to read. This plaque is presented to Cup of Joe. This award is given in recognition for being the first Filipino band to stage five outstanding sold-out shows in 1 year. For Cup of Joe, Silakbo, 2 days on February 8 and 9, and Cup of Joe, Stardust, a center stage set up for 3 nights. On October 10, 11, and 12 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Presented by Smart Araneta Coliseum this 12th day of October 2025 in Quezon City. Signed by Irene Jose, Chief Operating Officer, Maria Victoria Araneta Forest, Director for Special Events. We also would like to give this glass dome in honor. This is a replica of the Big Dome for your remarkable achievements. Congratulations once again, and we look forward to more successful shows with you.
Thank you, Lord. Ay, sorry, niyakap ko kayong lahat. Pwede ba? Sorry. Na-excited. No!
Let's go na po.
Thank you po! Palakpakan natin sila!
Thank you po.
Ang ganda, no?
Ano natin ibubulsa to po?
Thank you po. Huwag niyo po iuwi yun, no?
Cash ako.
Thank you po. Guys, palakpakan natin kami! Woo! Sabihin ko sana billboard siya natin.
Ay, shoutout sa kuya ko na kasama ko nagsulat ng multo.
Kuya Red! Kuya Red! Ay, may surprise kami kay Direk Paulo!
Everyone, hey, Cup of Joe. First, congratulations on